guys, this is Sherry from Brain Packages. Welcome to my channel.
Chocolate is highly sensitive to temperature, light, and oxygen. Center of sealed bags typically features a multi-layered composite structure, such as PETAV and PET, designed to provide comprehensive protection. This structure is not only completely blocks light, preventing fat oxidation, but also creates an effective gas barriers that significantly slows down cocoa butter oxidation and flavor loss. Opting for a pure aluminum foil structure offers near perfect protection, ensuring the chocolate maintains its ideals sensory qualities throughout its shelf life. For comparable quality, the overall cost of center sealed bags is typically lower than that side of 8 sealed bags or shaped bags.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information for customizing your mother bags, please don't be shy. Free to contact with me. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.